Student, today we will learn how can create form in MS Access. To create a form, firstly create a table and save it. Then click on create button and click on form option. You can give any name to table and it shows you form like this. We can also create a form with the form wizard. To create a form, go to your table and click on create button and click on more forms option and then form wizard and select the options which you want to show in your form like this and click on next button. You want to show in column and tabular form, you can display and then go next button. Now click on finish button. You can show it shows like this. You can create using the form wizard. We can also create a form using the form split option. Click on create button, go to your table firstly and click on create button, then select split form option and it shows like this. Here we create a form using the different ways, simple form, form split, form wizard. Now we will discuss how can create report. To create report, firstly select your table. We will select table 1 and then click on create button and select the report option. It shows like this. It is simple report. We can also create a report using the report wizard. To create a report using report wizard, click on create button and click on report wizard option and select the options. Which option you want to display, select, and which you don't want, then leave it and go to next option. It shows like this. Click on next button. It asks you want to show it ascending order or descending order. Select this setting and click on next option. And click it finish. Before the review. And in last click on finish button. It shows like this. This is a report using the report wizard. So student, we discuss about creating a form and creating a report in MS Access.